Hello, dear Sagittarius. A very good evening to you guys. So really sorry for the boo. So I feel like I was feeling like a little. So hello, dear Sagittarius. How are you guys doing? So this is a general reading for all those who are in no contact with their particular person right now, and this is a reading from today till the end of June. Wow. So let's start. I'm too good now. Yeah, I know. So let's start. What this person feels for you, what this particular person feels for you, Sajis. Let's see. The moon. I feel like this person is concealing their feelings for you. They're trying to hide their feelings for you, okay? And they're having lots of subconscious fears that they are dealing with right now. The moon to me is a card of concealing the emotions and not, hiding the emotions and trying to, control their emotions for somebody because they're fearful that this is not going to work out, or this shit is going to be shitty again, or this relationship was not meant to be, something like this. So right now they are in a very fearful zone and fearful energy that this is not going to work out, and they're trying to conceal their emotions, to hide their emotions for you right now. This is what they are feeling for you right now, Sajis. Let's see what you are feeling for this particular person. Let's see what you are feeling for this particular person. Temperance. You are just trying to be patient. You are trying to be very patient with this particular person, Sajis, that I can see. And you are trying to balance your emotions, and you're feeling like there's some kind of imbalance going on in your life right now. And you're trying to balance your water or balance your emotions, you can say. Temperance for me is a card of patience. So you are being very patient right now with this particular person, and you must be you must be waiting for the right time to act upon. Okay, this is what you are feeling right now for this particular connection. Acting patient, very patient. That is a good energy. Nice, nice, beautiful energy. And you're very hopeful about this particular connection, let me tell you honestly. So you are being patient as well, and you are being hopeful about this particular connection as well, because this is some kind of angelic energy that I'm getting the vibe of from this card of temperance today. And the strange thing is I got it today only. Yeah. So let's see what this particular person wants from you. This card jumped out. They want you to be very honest with them. They want you to come out of this confusion. Might be you are having lots of options, or might be you are having more than two options, or might be it is also possible that you are having two options. This particular person from your past, and you might be connected with somebody else as well. So I feel like this particular person wants you to come out of this confusing state of mind, and to come out clean, and to come out single. They want you to be single. Okay, this is the thing that I'm getting. They want you to be single and ready to mingle. Okay, this is what they want from you. Yeah, to come out of the confusing state, to come out of the other party, and be single again, and be available again for them. Yeah, this is what they want. What do you want from this particular person? Six of Cups. You are missing this particular person. Give me a second. So you are missing this particular person, and you want this connection to be the way it was in the past. Okay, because you're nostalgic. You're missing the happy memories. You're missing the smell of them. You're missing the taste of might be their body. You can say, if you guys were that much intimate with each other. So you guys had a history together. You guys had sweet memories together. So basically, I feel like you want this connection to be the same as it was in the past, as it might be, as it started. You loved it whenever it started, and you loved the beautiful phase of newness, you can say, and that is what you want. Okay, so let's see what to expect from this person till the end of June. What to expect from this person till the end of June. Reconciliation, Three of Cups. This is what you can expect from this particular person till the end of June. Reconciliation offer coming in towards you. They want to reconciliate with you. Okay, they want you to be single, and they want you to be to come out of this confusing state of mind. They want you to mingle with them, and they want to have a reconciliation with you. And you can expect a reconciliation offer coming in towards you from this particular person. Let's see what to expect from you till the end of June for this particular connection. fumbling a lot today. Ten of Swords. So I feel like you will be ready for a brand new beginning, because I feel like you will feel like the worst is over now. Everything that was worst and everything that was not working out for you guys is over now, because you might be feeling betrayed by this particular connection or by this particular person, or it could also mean that you are being betrayed by somebody else, and now you are ready to have a brand new beginning with this particular person from the past whom you are in no contact with, maybe from a very long time. Okay, you are ready to give this person another chance. Yeah, I know you can't hide it from me, right? So yeah, this is all about your love life till the end of June, and this is for all those who are in no contact. Thank you so much for listening, tuning in, Sagittarius, and God bless you. Namaste. Yay.